Alright, so we have a question on money. Jamie has some 50-cent coins and Kumar has some $1 coins. Now Jamie has 12 more coins than Kumar. The total amount of money Kumar has is $15 more than the total amount of money Jamie has. Now how many coins does Kumar have? Now to understand this problem, you can actually draw for yourself a model first for Jamie and Kumar. So Jamie actually has a little bit more. Alright, so Jamie has this plus another 12 more coins. Kumar only have this box here. But despite this, Kumar still has more money. Why? Because all his coins are $1 coins. For Jamie, all her coins are 50-cent coins. Alright, so what we need to do here in this question is to remove these extra coins that Jamie has, which is having a value of 12 times 50 cents. $6. And when you remove these $6 from Jamie, Kumar will now not only have $15 more than Jamie, he will have 15 plus that $6 more. Why? Because Jamie no longer has this $6, right? So Kumar will have 15 plus 6. Kumar will now have $21 more, provided that you have removed this section here. Okay, now with this $21 more, right, it means that Kumar and Jamie now has the exactly same number of coins. Bear in mind, Kumar's coins are all $1 coins. Jamie's coins are all 50-cent coins. Alright, so if for example, Kumar only has 1 coin, Jamie will also have 1 coin. And the difference will only be 50 cents, right? 1 minus 50 cents. That will give you 50 cents. This is if Kumar has 1, Jamie also has 1. But that may not be the case because the total difference is $21 for this section of coins. Which means that definitely they will both have more than 1 coin. Right? So to find the number of coins in this question mark here or in this question mark, we will just have to take the big difference, divide by the small difference. $21 divided by 50 cents, we will get 42 coins. So this tells us that they both have 42 coins all together in this particular box here. Now let's try and do some checks here. So what's the total amount of money that Kumar has? With 42 coins, it will be 42 times $1. That will be $42. How about for Jamie? Now for Jamie, right, earlier on we took away the 12, so actually she has that 12 plus 42. 12 plus 42, that is 54 coins. 54 times 50 cents. 54 times 50 cents. That will give you $27. Now we find the actual difference in their coins, 42 minus 27. Which will give us $15 as the difference in the value of the coins, which tells us that our answer of 42 is correct because in the question, Kumar really has $15 more as compared to Jamie. And if the question were to ask how many coins does Jamie have, you'll just take 42 plus 12. Final answer for this question, how many coins does Kumar have? The answer is 42 coins.